Say goodbye to the back-breaking bucket and hello to a new level of clean for your hard floors. This BISSELL SpinWave SmartSteam Mop aims to revolutionize your floor care routine with its innovative combination of spinning pads, steam power, and user-friendly features. This review dives deep into the functionalities, performance, and user experience to see if the SpinWave SmartSteam lives up to its promise of a smarter and easier clean. Power of clean, convenience of design. Spin power. Unlike traditional mops that simply push dirt around, the SpinWave SmartSteam boasts two counter-rotating microfiber pads that spin at a combined speed of 230 RPM. This scrubbing action effectively tackles stuck-on messes and grime, leaving your floors sparkling clean. Steam power with a sanitizing punch. This mop goes beyond just cleaning. The integrated steam function utilizes the natural power of steam to sanitize your floors, eliminating 99.9% of germs, bacteria, and viruses. This is a welcome feature for pet owners or those seeking a more hygienic clean. Intelligence at your fingertips. A convenient LED display keeps you informed. It shows cleaning modes, steam readiness and temperature, and floor type, and even alerts you when the water tank needs refilling. Fingertip controls allow you to easily choose from 2 steam levels or a no steam mode depending on your cleaning needs and floor type. Cleaning experience and additional features. Quiet operation. Worried about noisy cleaning? The SpinWave SmartSteam is touted to be 80% quieter than its competitor, the Shark Steam and Scrub, making it a more peaceful cleaning experience. Quick heat up. No more waiting for the mop to be ready. The steam function heats up in just 20 seconds, allowing you to get cleaning almost instantly. Headlight hero. Illuminating those dark corners and baseboards can be a challenge. The integrated LED headlights on the SpinWave SmartSteam brighten your cleaning path, ensuring you don't miss a spot. Swivel maneuvers. Furniture can be a cleaning obstacle course. The swivel head on the SpinWave SmartSteam allows for effortless maneuvering around furniture and tight spaces. Easy maintenance. Refilling the water tank is simple, and the washable microfiber pads can be tossed in the washing machine for easy cleaning, eliminating the need for disposable mop heads. A few considerations. Limited on floor types. While the SpinWave SmartSteam is suitable for sealed hard floors, it's not recommended for use on unfinished wood floors or carpets. Size and weight. Compared to a traditional mop and bucket, the SpinWave SmartSteam is bulkier and heavier. Storage space might be a consideration for smaller homes. Overall impression, the BISSELL SpinWave SmartSteam Mop offers a compelling alternative to traditional mopping. The combination of spinning pads, steam cleaning, and user-friendly features makes it a powerful tool for cleaning hard floors. The LED display, multiple steam settings, and washable microfiber pads add to its convenience. While it might not be suitable for all floor types and storage space considerations, the overall cleaning performance and user experience make it a strong contender for those seeking a more effective and hygienic way to clean their hard floors. Here's a quick breakdown of the pros and cons. Pros: powerful cleaning with spinning pads and steam function, sanitizes floors, killing 99.9% of germs, bacteria, and viruses. User-friendly with LED display, fingertip controls, easy refilling. Quiet operation compared to similar models. Quick heat-up time for steam function. LED headlights illuminate cleaning areas. Swivel head for easy maneuvering. Washable microfiber pads for easy maintenance. Cons: not suitable for all floor types. Unfinished wood, carpets, bulky and heavier compared to a traditional mop and bucket. Storage space might be a concern. Final verdict: the BISSELL SpinWave SmartSteam Mop is a well-rounded option for those seeking a more effective and hygienic way to clean their hard floors. The powerful cleaning action with steam sanitization, user-friendly features, and washable microfiber pads make it a time-saving and convenient cleaning companion. If you have hard floors throughout your home and prioritize a powerful and hygienic clean, the BISSELL SpinWave SmartSteam Mop is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.